Hello, myself Dr. Professor Parul Gupta. I am a specialist in braces treatment and lingual braces. I have done my graduation from Manipal College of Dental Surgery and post graduation from JSS Mysore. I have also experience in Hindurao Hospital. There are different kinds of braces treatment and like conventional metal braces, ceramic braces, self-ligating braces, lingual braces and clear braces. Metal braces, as we all know, are the conventional braces. The advantage of the ceramic braces over the metal braces is that the ceramic braces are less visible and can be done in both the kids, both children and in adult patients. The next variety is the self-ligating braces. In self-ligating braces, it generally comes in a company of from the company of 3M and Demon brackets. It is known as a fast orthodontics. In this, the treatment finishes off very fast. Less than the conventional, it takes less time than the conventional braces. Then the next braces is the lingual braces. In adult patients who are professionally involved, these lingual braces are very advantageous. It is totally invisible and you can carry on with your professional life without telling the people that you are going through the orthodontic treatment. Then another variety is the clear braces. Clear braces are generally made from Germany or Dubai, and the very plus point of the clear braces is that we don't need to call the patient again and again, and it is totally invisible and it is very comfortable. But the only problem is that it is little expensive than the rest of the braces. But the results are 100% and the comfort level is very high. In clear braces is we give a sets of trays to the patient and the patient can easily wear those trays and can change the trays on its own. When the patient comes to us, we will give them a sets of trays which the patient has to change in every 15 days and the treatment will be completed like that only. So the patient does not need to come to the dentist or the orthodontist again and again. It can be done even in the outpatient. If the patient is not there in the city of the orthodontist, he can then also get the treatment done very nicely. And the other myth, there is a myth that the braces treatment can only be done in a younger individuals. It is not so. We can do the orthodontics in adult patients also. The treatment with the inventions of the newer technologies, it is also invisible also, so that the adult patient will not feel shy. Plus the treatment is faster also. I have done many cases in adult patients and they are always very happy with the end result. The adult patients can go for the lingual braces or ceramic braces or clear braces and all. If you have any query or you want to contact me, you can contact me through my website, which is www.dentist-india-delhi.com, or you can even contact me through the Liberate website. You can even chat me directly through the Liberate website and I'll be answering your questions or queries. Thank you.